Hello everyone, welcome to IS Dashna. I hope you all are doing very well. So without wasting any of our time, let's move to the topics of the day. Today's topic is India and Brazil sign MOU to strengthen cooperation in the postal sector. India and Brazil signed a MOU on cooperation in the postal sector, marking a significant step towards strengthening bilateral collaboration in postal services, digital transformation, and inclusive service delivery. The MOU was signed by Shri Jyotiraditya Yam, Minister of Communications, Government of India, and HE Mr. Frederico de Siqueira Filho, Minister of Communications of Brazil, during the state visit of the President of the Federative Republic of Brazil, HE Mr. Luis Inácio Lula da Silva, to India. The agreement establishes a comprehensive framework for cooperation between the Department of Posts, India, and the Ministry of Communications, Brazil, aimed at enhancing strategic partnership and knowledge exchange in the postal domain. The MOU provides the collaboration in the following areas: exchange of best practices and expertise in postal sector policies and operations, strengthening universal service and addressing systems, cooperation in digital transformation, e-commerce, logistics and postal financial services, capacity building, training and technical exchanges, joint initiatives and strategic projects of mutual interest, enhanced coordination in multilateral forums including the Universal Postal Union, promotion of South-South cooperation for inclusive and sustainable growth. The partnership will be implemented through exchange visits of officials and experts, organizations of joint workshops and training programs, and structured information sharing between the two sides. The MOU reflects the shared commitment of India and Brazil in modernizing postal systems and leveraging their networks as engines of economic growth, financial inclusion, and last mile service delivery. India will share its experience in large scale postal transformation, including digital services, e commerce, logistics, and citizen centric public service delivery. The agreement is also expected to support efforts to strengthen the financial sustainability and operational efficiency of postal operators in a rapidly evolving market environment. The MOU will remain in force for an initial period of 5 years with provision of automatic renewal and will be implemented in accordance with the laws and regulations of both countries. This cooperation further reinforces the growing India-Brazil strategic partnership and contributes the deeper engagement between the two countries as key partners from the global south. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a very nice day.